I can see.
How are you feeling?
Is this an interview?
Yeah.
Huh? And you never prepared me for this? I should have been prepared. Because, you know, there are so many things that I would want to keep from truth that should be kept.
How are you feeling ba?
Right now, really, I feel lousy. I don't know. I wish I had my husband with me, but he has long been buried. Dito, at this age, I don't think of anything else but myself and God. Just the two of us. That is enough romance. Yung higa ng God. Ay. Oh, yeah, that's all. What do you want? Some more?